This is tutorial for exercise 1. For this model, we can create using swept boss features, and for this exercise also, you will learn how to use different options of extruded cut and extruded boss, and also you will learn how to add configurations to the model. Okay, we start. For this model, I will start from creating the base, a square base for this model. So what is the dimensions? 120 times 120. And what is the thickness? 10. So check unit system MMGS, correct. I will start from top planes. Then I will start from the center rectangles. Sorry, I should select the center rectangles. Then insert dimension. All the edge we need to fillet. So check the drawing. The fillet is R15. You can use sketch fillet. So you can use either sketch fillet or you can use a features fillet. Both will give you the same result. Then extrude with 10 mm. Okay, but I forgot to add a hole at the middle. We need to have a hollow hole at the middle. So if let's say you have anything mistakes on your model, we can edit. How we edit? You expand, look for the sketch, and edit sketch. Now you can add circles. After you add these circles, this circle definitely will become the hole. So the size is 80. Okay, done. Then we exit sketch, you will get a hole. Okay, what next? Next, we need to build like a banded extrude, a 90-degree banded extrude. So for the features, we call it swept boss. What we need to create a profile. Then we also need to create a path line. So for the profile, I will start from top plane, sketch. First, I will take convert entity. So this is the inner diameters for the hole. Then we need another circles. The size is 90. If you check on the diagram, 90 is the diameter that we need to swept boss. Okay, now we need to exit sketch. If you check your diagram, we have a sketch 2 is your profile. Your extruded path, we need to create a path where it's perpendicular and start from the center point of this sketch. So we need to find a plane that is perpendicular to your sketch. Okay, we can get front plane. So for the front plane, I will let you to see it better. I will have a section view, turn on the section view. So for the front plane, I will start. So for the front plane, I will start from the middle here. Okay, make sure I create a verticals and horizontal sketch. The height is 160. Let me check. Okay, is 160. Then 160. And here 75. So from here you will see the path is exactly stay at the midpoint of your sketch. Then we exit sketch. Okay, now you will see you have two sketches. Your sketch 2 is your profile. Your sketch 3 is the path that you're going to sweat boss. Then you may select sweat boss or base. First one is to select the sketch 2 as your profile. This is to select the third sketch as the extrude path. Okay, confirm. Okay, now I still turn on the section view, so you will see it's something like this. So let me turn off. Okay, then we need to continue here. I will select this face and start sketch. Okay, if for the drawings we may look for this. Okay, so what I'm going to sketch, I will sketch two center line. Okay, so for this center line is 120. Then I will start a circles. Okay, this circles is R20. R20 means I need a diameter of 40. Then what we need to convert all these to become entities, to become the line. And also what we need to convert here the edge here to become the entities. Then create one line on the top, let them form a tangent relations, and we trim. Okay, so before that we need to mirror the line from top to bottoms, then we just able to trim. Okay, then we already complete half. We can use mirror, select the center point, select all the entity that we going to mirror, then confirm. Okay, here also we can trim. Okay. Okay, what happened after we trims? Some of this dimension is gone. So let me fix it. I think I just leave it there, because after we remove some of this dimension is, some of the relation is gone, so we just leave it like this. So what we can do, extrude boss, Make sure your extruder boss is go inward. Then we select the control. Confirm. Okay, so done. Okay, if you check your drawings, we need to have total of 6 hole where is at the center point of the fillet and the curve here. We need 6. We need 6 screw hole with a counter, sink and ISO standard size of M10. So for this, okay, for this you just go hole visit, select countersink, ISO, and then make sure the type that you select is follow the questions. Size M10, normals, this one is true all, position, 3D sketch. Okay, for this one, if you have a fillet edge, you point on the edge, it will appear the center point of the fillet. You just click on the center point, point here, click on the center point, point here, click on the center point, rotate the view, point here, click on center point. And here also, you just point on the edge, it will come out center point. You just place point, center point, you just place all the screw hole, confirm, done. Okay, then we have a last step. This one, we need to create an extruder boss for this. So it's like half of the slot. So how are we going to create this? We go back to your drawings. We can start from the face here, this face. Scene is start from middle. So I will sketch like this. Then I use this 3-point art. If you want to make sure your slot is stay aligned with the center point, the first technique you can use, you just make this equal. So you will find out it's always stay aligned with the origin here. Okay, the size, the height is 40 if not mistake, and the size of this is 40. Let me check. 40, 40, 20, we need a hole of 20, so we add a circle here, 20. Okay, now we're going to extrude. How much that we're going to extrude? Remember, flip the directions. We need to extrude until the extrude you touch the curved surface and it will stop to form extrude. But if we just use the features with the option blind, we extrude, what happens? We will have additional of the extrude over here. Inside here is no longer like fully hollow, completely hollow. So the option that we can use, we can select up to surface, then we select the surface that we're going to stop your extrude. So you will have something like this. Or you can select the option up to next, it will extrude up to next surface, it will stop. You will have the same similar effects of extrude. So just confirm. If you check the drawings, this hole here is go through, is a go through hole, but it's not completely through until the back here. if you check the drawings, you can zoom in and look on this figure here. Is a broken out view. You can see the hole is like cut through, but if you check the section view at the back here, this model remains solid. We don't have any hole. So for this we need an extrude cut. So from the same sketch, we can call up the same sketch, use extrude cut, and here we can select different control. Select the control at the middle here. Okay, for the cut, how much we need to control how much that we're going to cut is similar. You can use like up to surface, select the inner face, so it will cut until the inner face, or you can pick up to next, it will cut to next surface, then it will stop. So both having the same effect. Okay, now it's supposed it look like this. Okay, now it's already cut through, but it's not completely cut through. Okay, this is the exercise 1. So for the next exercise 2, what you need to create different configurations for this model. So remember, assign materials that state in the quiz and look for the mass. Okay, configurations managers is under here. This is the default. This will be the default configurations. Let's say I rename. Can I rename this? Okay, it's unable to rename. Let's say this is the default configurations. The next configurations, I put it as modified configurations, where I don't want this extrude. So what I can do here, from here I can add new configuration. I name it as modified. Confirm. From here you will see I have a default configurations. Modified configuration, you just double click, turn on the modified configurations. You go under your design tree here. So I create this using boss extrude tree. So what I can do for this, if I don't want these features in the configurations, I right click and suppress. Also for cut 1, I will right click and suppress. So this will be my modified configurations. You can check default, double click on modified. So I will have two different design for one of the models. So remember to save your model and remember to look for the mesh for the quiz. Okay, that's it for the exercise.